Meet the Kidsmate Adjustable Hula Hoop, a colorful, lightweight fitness hoop designed to make exercise enjoyable for kids while also helping improve balance, coordination, and overall activity. In this video, we'll unbox the product, assemble it step by step, explore its key features, and see why it's a great addition to a child's playtime or fitness routine. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you will find multiple brightly colored curved segments that will connect to form the complete hula hoop. Each piece is made from lightweight yet durable plastic. Let's assemble the hula hoop. First, take two curved segments. Gently push the pieces together until they click securely into place. Continue attaching the remaining segments one by one. Each connector is designed with a secure locking mechanism to ensure the pieces stay firmly connected during use. Once all the segments are connected, the individual pieces come together to form a full circular hula hoop. Let's take a closer look at the key features of the Kidsmate Adjustable Hula Hoop. The hoop features an 8-piece detachable design, allowing you to easily adjust the size based on the user's comfort and skill level. The durable plastic construction keeps the hoop strong while remaining lightweight and easy for kids to spin. The vibrant colors make the hoop attractive and fun, encouraging kids to stay active and engaged. The Kidsmate Adjustable Hula Hoop is a simple, fun, and effective way to encourage active play.